naguna sa dalan where we belong. Bisan ulan ug hangin mo abot, together gihapon, dili mo back out. No storm can break the bond we made, our life forever. Dili gyud ma-fade. Dilaab Bisaya, sigat gihapon, each officer nagdanag sa kahanginan. From laughter, hope to hearts that heal, our flame is true, our bond is real. Our bond is real. Deputy Kyle, katawa sa tanan, brings joy and good vibes sa Dilaab clan. Deputy Ira, the saver and vocal, her voice of hope, always loyal. Deputy Nari, pinaka-sweet sa fam, her heart so pure, mura kalayo nga ka. Admin Mari, witty ug artista, drawing dreams para sa tanan sa fam. Admin Hershey, the writer of flame, nagbuha stories nga magpabili ng name. Admin Yulia, playful ug bright, brings laughter and life every night. Admin Lynn, the believer true, her faith and strength nagshine good through. Admin Mitsuri, kind and resilient, bisan unsa she stays brilliant. Admin Jed, our shield sa tanan, security sa fam, strong ug tanan. Dilaab Bisaya, sigat gihapon, in unity's fire, wala yung dangon. Each flame unique, but all aligned, one heart, one soul, one fam combined. Bisana sa me, our fire will gleam. Dilaab Bisaya,